Hey, Miss Smith, Anthony Thornton here, Guaranteed Home Loans, Anthony Thornton Team, EXP, whichever side you're on. I know we talked in a meeting, you're paying $1,700 in rent. I want to let you know that's about $57 a day that you're paying right now. And you were interested in a home at $375. Just want to share something with you. My lender can get you rates, get you access to rates that are about 2% below market value. So that would be just ballparking rates. I mean, your rate, we don't know what your rate's going to be until you lock in, but that would be somewhere in the fives. And that will put your payment around here, $88 a month for to get the home you love. You were paying 57, and now you'll be paying estimated about 88. Here it is. Here's the math right here for you so you can see it. And before you were paying 57 a day, after 88. So it's a difference of 31 bucks a day, less than you probably pay for breakfast or lunch. If you do what I do, go to Starbucks and get a bagel, and then if you eat, you know, a $15 sandwich in Manhattan, New York with Jesus, can you afford an extra $31 a day to get the home you love? And they go, what? They go, yes. Or they go, no. Let's go worst case scenario. So they go, no. And you say, okay, well, how much extra could you afford today? Or you could say, how much are you spending on breakfast and lunch and gas on a daily basis? Do you work from home? Oh, you work from home? And you're still going out to breakfast and lunch like Anthony does? Yeah. Eating PBJ? Nope. Right? Even though I love PBJ. And then if they say no, say, okay, well, what number does work for you? And then all you can do is start backing that number in to this calculator, right? That's all you got to do. Well, I could probably afford another 20 bucks a day. Okay, well, let's figure out what 20 bucks a day is and go back to this calculator and break it down for them. Any questions about what I shared so far?
I got a quick general question for you. You use 5%. Why do 5% down opposed to 3.5? Are you doing worst case?
No, just
okay.
Just doesn't do 0.5s.
Okay.
I mean, we could go 4. It'll be another number, but yeah. So I just did worst case scenario, right? And then it breaks it all down. Yeah, that's all. 5% is conventional, though, just so you do know.
Yes, that's why I was asking. Sorry.
Yeah. So, any other questions besides that? So you don't have to call a loan officer, ask them to do this. Just go to letsclosefast.com, click on pre-qualify, and a calculator will pop up for you, and you can get everything you need to do this video. Send videos to your clients, especially you guys that have clients that are sitting at home on the couch and not going out looking at properties. This is what Monday is for. Monday is your day to shoot these videos. This is about a 45-second video, a 1-minute video that you're sending to your clients. It's also something that you could go Instagram live on, YouTube live on, Facebook live on, and do this example on your social media and say, hey, here's how you can own a $375,000 home for $83 a day. Check this out. And you can just post your Zoom link or go live in all your social media platforms. Those of you that are, good idea? I'm just checking.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Great idea.
Okay. Remember, you don't want to be a secret agent. Secret agents and secret loan officers, they keep all information to themselves and they say, call me. Remember, our parents, how they raised me, I can only speak for myself, is sit over there, be quiet, don't get noticed unless you're going to bed early, right? Now, when we're in sales, we got to be loud. Everybody's got to notice us. We got to draw attention to ourselves constantly. And when we're drawing attention to ourselves from our ideal client, because we know who our ideal client is, right? They make $75,000 a year. They've been on their job 2 years or more. We know how much they make. We know how long they need to be on their job, and we know where they live. We need to be as loud as we can with stuff like this to get it out on the internet. Remember, I told you guys about a resource called buffer.com. It's totally free of charge. You could have this video, schedule it to go out 3 times a day at different times to hit people that work early in the morning, people who work in the middle of the night. It can go to 8 social media channels, go to TikTok, it can go to Pinterest, it can go to Instagram, it can go to YouTube, it can go all these different places constantly. And all you do is set it up one time. I've been using it for years, right? You can post to 8 different social media channels called buffer.com.